Here we go, Kingman. I'm starting a new school. We're going to be able to do all kinds of projects, cut on the laser, shaper, CNC, laser engraver, Cricut machine, Halloween ornaments, laser engraved, fluorescent fancy colors, bright, lazy Susans, little sapili, pumpkins, panel saw that could cut 5 by 10 sheets of plywood, whimsical furniture, bend, wiggle board, 1/8-inch plywood to weird shapes, make rocket ship bookcases, paint them, assemble them using dados and rabbits, woodworking cabinet making, even added some extra space that we're going to put some tools in here. You'll be excited to see. This is them cutting out the roll-up door. This is the inside of the building. This is going to be a cool workspace with lights. Big roll-up door. Door works. Let's open it up and get started. All done. We're going to be able to make planter boxes that we can transfer them from Easter to Christmas. Put poinsettias in it, Easter lilies, lights, fairy lights, battery-powered lights. Planter boxes, Halloween decorations. This is the floor of my shop being epoxy coated. Are you ready? We've got so many options of different things we can do, from cutting boards to tables to nightstands, cabinets, breadboards, cutting boards, kitchen cabinets, workbenches, and more. Offering woodworking classes, maker space. Come learn with us how to use equipment safely and build some cool projects. The Transplanted Acorn, Kingman, Arizona. Classes coming soon.